Let's look at number 2 here in section 7.7. We're going to determine whether the improper integral converges, and if so, evaluate it. And here is this integral here. Again, your expression might be slightly different number-wise here, but should, I think, going from negative infinity to some number, in my case 4, of e to the 0.0008t. Okay, so what's going on here? We certainly have an improper integral because we have an infinite limit of integration. And so we want to immediately write that how is the limit as, that's an a there, sorry. Limit is a goes to negative infinity. And I chose a instead of t. I like to use t, but notice our variable of integration is t, so we can't choose t. You can't have the same variable for your integration as you do here. Okay, so be careful about that. So a goes to negative infinity, integral from a to 4, e to the da 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 da, right? So what is the antiderivative of e to the da 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 da? Well, it's just a simple u substitution, right? If I let u be the exponent, the du is just 0.0008t, so 1 over 0.0008t d du is equal to dt. So we'll have this 1 over 0.0008 factor in front of the e to that power. So there's the antiderivative with a little u substitution. I didn't do it formally. I just sort of did that in my head. I didn't even change the limits of integration. So because I stayed with the variable t. We evaluated at 4 and at a, of course, and subtract. And then don't forget, I'm still taking the limit when it's all said and done. Now, just if you use your calculator, that's 1,250. And factor that out. Plugging in 4 times 0.008 is this. Minus, of course, plugging in a gives me this. And now what's happening is a goes to minus infinity. Well, if we look at the graph of e to the 0.0008a as a function of a, right? In fact, what are we going to see? For that graph, we're going to see the following, right? There's a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. And as a goes to minus infinity, so this will be the a axis, right? Then we are approaching 0. So this expression is getting smaller and smaller as a goes to minus infinity. And so the limit comes out to be this value. Notice our integral converges because the limit is finite in this case. Okay, I hope this makes sense on this one.